Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Samsung Galaxy M23. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now you have to select this application and click install. Now you have to click open and then click on agree and continue. Now close this ad and now click allow and then click consent. Now you have to click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Then you have to close this ad again, and as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.